Hey guys, today I'm going to be testing neon lipsticks. I really love vibrant, bright lip colors like hugely bright corals, hot orange reds, really bright pinks, hot pinks and stuff like that. What I mean by that are these types of lipsticks that are really super bright and they look almost glowing on your lips and they really contrast against the skin. And I've often described those as a neon looking effect, but on second thought, I don't think I'm remotely close. These lip products are so bright neon that they apparently glow under a UV light. So let's test it out. I'm super keen. I love lipsticks. It's by a brand called INC.redible. You can buy it at Sephora. They sent me a PR package that contained these 4 products, the 2 neon lip shades, the matte lip remover, and a little UV flashlight, and they sent it to me twice. I don't know if they sent it to me on purpose twice or if they forgot, but I've got 2 sets, and so someone is gonna win the set, including the little flashlight, which I don't think you can buy from them. They just included it as part of the PR package. So if you want to win this, just be part of my notification squad and leave a comment within the first 12 hours and anyone can win. Please also thumbs up the video, guys. So I just removed what I had on my lips, which was just liner lips, so my lips are really nice and hydrated. I don't know if I want to try the orange one or the pink one. The orange one is called I'm Hot Right Now, or I'm Hot RN, and this one's called She's Arrived. The packaging is definitely indicative of what's inside. It's got a doe foot applicator, and you can see even from the doe foot that it's mega bright. So this is the I'm Hot Right Now. Whoa. Okay, I can see on my monitor down here that it looks like a muted orange, but wow, it's really glowing when I look at it with my eyes. It's a little bit like not smooth to put on, so let's hope it goes on my lips well. I'm gonna swatch the pink one, She's Arrived. Can you see how that little lump came up? And it's kind of streaky. Hopefully it doesn't do that on the lips. Dang! First swatch is disappointing. The back of my hand is a little bit hard to swatch on because it's not an even surface, but that's what that looks like. Let's look at it under the light. Can you see the way it's reacting off the light? I'm gonna put a regular lipstick next to it. Kendall Jenner for Estee Lauder there. And see how when the light goes over that one, it doesn't pick up on anything, but over these ones, it's really picking it up. I think I'm gonna go ahead with the orange one first. So the directions say load it up on the applicator. I'm gonna start at the Cupid's bow and then do the edges of my lips, and then I'll fill it in. It looks pretty good. It's pretty smooth. I want to try it with the light. Ooh. It's definitely lighting up. If I was into raves, I would love this. It doesn't feel or look fully matte. It hasn't dried down yet or anything. So I'm gonna try it without the lights on and then using this, and then maybe it will dry down in that time. So BRB. Turning off my lights. Oh shit, can't see. Oh. Still recording? Where's the light? Okay, ready? Oh! You can only see my lips. Woo, this is trippy. Hey guys. What's up? It really works. None of my other makeup is shining. It's freaking out the camera. This is erotic. Wow, I've never tried anything like this before. Kind of glooping up weird in the corner. Just got it all over my finger. Okay, I'm gonna put the light on again now. Ooh, a floating head. Let's try the pink one. As I said, it's called She's Arrived. I love this color. It's so bright. I think it's finally translating when it's on your lips, you can see it. This color I feel like went on way smoother. So cool. Lights off. Hey, hey. Oh my god, I feel like the Cheshire Cat. That is so cool. I feel like I'm in like a film clip. There's a film clip where there's neon lips doing stuff. What is it? Can't see anything else in the black light except my lips. Wow, that looks so cool. And I'm back. I love this stuff. It's really good, but it's not a flawless formula. It feels really nice and buttery. It doesn't dry down, so I like that. But it has glooped a little bit. Don't get it too close to the inner part of your mouth. And it's very obvious when it's under the light, if that happens. The light makes it more obvious if it's uneven. But it would be so cool to wear at a party or something if you go to parties that have a black light. I mean, I like book club and I like salsa dancing. So, you know what? I'd probably wear this salsa dancing. I don't care. I don't actually go to book club, by the way, but I do read books. The cost. The cost, why is mine in Canadian dollars? Wow, this is only $10. And they have it in stock in American Sephora, so I'll link it below. That is so cool. I'm really impressed. I don't own anything like this in my whole makeup collection. I did read on the listing on Sephora that they recommend you can dab on the iridescent highlighter as a topper, and I bought this myself when I went to Sephora. So they got this jelly shit, and it really feels like jelly, but I was kind of annoyed because the pot's like barely full. Anyway, wow, that looks nice. It's cool because I am not getting any transfer of the neon lip paint on my lips. It looks really cool because now it's watermelon colored because the jelly reflects like a blue glimmer. Can you see it? Hasn't really affected it under black light though. Looks the same. But in this light, it looks super nice. Cool! How neat-o is that? I'm so satisfied. And the price is really good too. So if you just love makeup, I mean, I personally would wear this. Like, I would wear the pink one for sure. The orange one, maybe not. I felt like the pink one went on a lot smoother and it looks more wearable because people are used to seeing a pink. But it is so fun. And imagine walking into a party like, lights out. Ooh. I'm really impressed. I would love you guys to check it out. And don't forget, someone will win this incredible Listen Hard Girl neon paint set. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little review and I'll see you next time.